Helping in COVID-19 measures now, the Indian Business Association of New Jersey and Accurate Diagnostics open a COVID-19 drive-through testing site in Edison, New Jersey. You may register on iba@labscovidtest.com. The event saw Mayor Tom Lanke and many assemblymen and members of the council along with Indian American leaders. This testing site hopes to be a benefit for the overall tracking and progress of COVID-19 cases, ensuring all needing tests in the area have access.
That's it. Okay. Oh, sorry. You have to take it out the top one.
Take out the top?
Okay. Put in the garbage, the kit, and take the blue one. Yes. And just,
Let it out?
Yeah. Tight it. Make it tight.
A little bit more. Round and round.
It's just done. Just shake it.
Little bit more tight. Little bit more tight.
Little bit more. More.
Tight, tight.
It's okay. Oh, it's okay. Leave it.
Yes. I think it's done.
Oh, give it to me. That garbage also. Thank you. You all set.
All set? It's very convenient. Staff's good. The appointment process was really easy. And I think everyone needs to get tested. You don't know what you're taking home to your kids. You don't know what you're taking home to your friends. So I think it's really critical for everybody to get tested, especially as the state gets ready to go back to work. Things are opening up. Businesses are opening up. Safer. Play it safe.
Guys, you can see the cars lined up on both sides. It's going to be the drive test. Nobody is going to get out of the car. It's going to be remaining in the car. People will have to just use the equipment and do the spitting to get the test done. And the result will be out pretty soon, within 24 to 48 hours. So you can see the medical staff here behind already started the process. You can see cars have lined up. Every day we'll be doing testing for hundreds of people. So this is pretty easy, fast, simple, one of the simplest COVID-19 tests available called saliva testing. IBA is organizing this in association with Accurate Diagnostic along with Agile Healthcare, along with all the sponsors.
Testing is a key to getting back to normal, and we're on our way there. And this site will be a great step in moving into that normal. And I applaud all the sponsors. You know, you can see everybody here, applaud everybody here, and especially IBA for setting this up and working for the community. They're always for the community, and this is another example of what they do for our community. So thank you for being here, and everybody be safe.
This is a diagnostics test and it's very safe. It is a drive-through test. You don't come out of the car, so you know it's very simple. It takes like less than 5 minutes to do the test. Important thing about doing this test is if you don't do the test, you don't know anything. If you do the test and you have an infection, you just quarantine yourself for 14 days. Make sure you take all the precautions, and then everything is good. But if you don't do the test and you don't have a symptoms, then what happens? You are infecting your family, friends, and everybody you meet. So this is very, very important that people do the test, and IBA is in forefront in doing this. This is in a very convenient location of Oak Tree Road, 2 minutes from inside the Oak Tree Road, and there is no cost for if you have insurance, and if you don't have insurance, still there is a way it can be covered.
This is the saliva test. You'll know your results within a day or 2 days. And it's so important, if you feel sick, if you are sick, please come. There's other places in the state of New Jersey and also in Edison, but this is local to Edison. Please come, be safe, and be well.
We want to thank Dr. Sudhir Parekh for covering the event. And I know you guys always come for every event of Indian community and all. And I want to request everyone that please do registration and do your testing, because at least you'll be safe from the person who has been tested. I have seen a store in New Jersey, they had 9 employees. And the store, it's written outside the poster that all the employees are tested negative. And believe me, the business of these people has gone up by 35% because of this, because people got a confidence that it is tested and it's a safe place to visit or buy anything. So I want to request everyone, please come out and do the registration.